Hi everyone, this side Megha. So in the last session we went through the function name find book where we were passing input parameter as book name, and with that we were getting all the details associated with that particular book. Today we will perform same operation, but we are just changing the parameter. Instead of book name we will be passing the author name as an input parameter. So when you will pass the input parameter, that is author name, we will get all the details of associated with that particular author. Okay, for that same as previous, we have used two variables. SQL, this is for the syntax or the execution of query, and the another variable we have is val, where we will be passing the author name as a parameter. If both the details we get, we will go to the try block. For that we have this execute function where we are passing these two variables, SQL, that is for syntax, and the variable name. When it is matched perfectly, it will fetch all the details associated with that particular author, and it will return my result, that is all the details would be written. But if somehow the details related associated with that author are not present in our database, then it will show us the database connection error. Okay, so this was our function where we were passing details by we are getting details by passing the author name. For that we have this book menu. Till now we have performed these operations, that is add book, update book, delete book, find a book, and we have performed this operation find a book by passing book name. Today we are getting the list of books. Okay, we will be getting the list of books by passing the author name. So let's run this program. Okay, our choice is 7, getting the list of books by author. If I enter 7, it will ask me the input parameter, that is author name. Let's say Rhonda Byrne. Okay, so it is showing us this is the author name Rhonda Byrne, and whatever all the books we have in our database whose author name is Rhonda Byrne, it will show us the data related to all the books. For example, books written by Rhonda Byrne, there are 4 books in our database. One is The Law of Attraction, The Secret, then The Power is Within You, The Greatest Secrets. These are the books by the author name Rhonda Byrne. We will cross check in our database. So this is our database, in which you can see here there is Rhonda Byrne, The Law of Attraction, The Secret, then another book is The Power is Within You, and the last book written by Rhonda Byrne in our database is The Greatest Secrets. So also the output that we have got here is same. We have got the details of 4 books written by Rhonda Byrne. So here similarly we have done the same thing. We have passed the input as the author name, and we have got the details associated with that author, that is how many books are written by this person, and location, number of copies are available in our library. So this was the function. So this was our function, that is find a book by author name. I hope till now everything is clear. In case if you have any doubt in this program, do let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely try to answer all your queries. Until then, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.